Hi, I'm back, and today I will show you how to create flowers with just one click on Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you. I have these three types here, and we are going to make them one by one. First, we have 4 petals here. So I'm going to use rectangular because it have 4 sides. After that, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat. Set your own percentage. And by the way, if you want to edit your percentage, you can go to Properties and click on Pucker and Bloat. Now we are using more sides, and I'm going to use polygon tool and set the sides into 6. The process are still the same. I will try to do the same for the 12 sides now. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon